and welcome to the first maths video, again coming from my kitchen. So today we're going to be recapping place value columns and then talking a little bit about decimals. So if you come over here and have a look. And so you've all seen a place value grid like this probably hundreds of times, but let's just recap. So over here we have our hundreds column, our tenths column, ones column, the tenths and the hundredths. So the way to remember tenths and hundredths is, if you imagine a cake is your whole, and then if you split it into 10, that is a tenth. And then if you split your whole cake, so just one whole cake, into 100, then that is a hundredth. But remember, that is going to be a really, really tiny piece of cake. So these are really small numbers. They're smaller than a whole, but obviously bigger than 0. Okay, so what we're going to do now is, over here on my board, I've got the number 2.1. I want us to write that into this place value column. So I'm going to use these sticky notes to help me. So I've got 2, because there's 2 ones, point, so the decimal point, 1, because I've got 1/10. So here we've got 2.1. Okay. Oops, put them back in the right order. Next, I'm going to make a different number. So this number is going to have 8 hundredths, 5 tens, 9 ones, no tenths, but 7 hundredths. Okay, and I want you to see what this is going to look like on my whiteboard. So here we go. So we've got 859.07. So that's how we would say that number. Okay, let's try another one. So like I've said before, we've done loads of work on this. It's all just a bit of a recap. Okay, this time let's make this number. Okay, so this number has 6 tens, 4 ones, 9 tenths and 7 hundredths. So on this whiteboard, it's going to look like this. And this will be, you would say this, 64.97. Okay, now I'm going to do something slightly different. I've got some clues and we're going to try and work out what the answer is. So on my clue, this number has no hundredths. So let's leave that one blank. It's got 1/10. There we go, pop that in there. It's got 5 ones. It's got no tenths. So let's leave that there because we need that as a place value holder. And it's got 6 hundredths. Ooh, so let's see what we've got. And let's write it down. So remember, when you're copying the number to put in the decimal point, if not, you'll get a very different number. So this number was 15.06. Okay, so what I want you to do now, children, is have a look at the sheets for today and have a go at answering them. Good luck.